Okay, so far we have already covered what is memories and how can we use these memories properly. Now let's go ahead and understand how to build tools for our AI agents. If I go back here, so presentations.ai is one of the tool, draw.io is one of the tool, Leonardo.ai is one of the tool. These are all different tools. Yeah, well and good, but how exactly am I going to call these tools? What we will be doing is I'll be creating a function which will take some parameters, and this is going to call API with the parameters. I'll be storing that in the results and I'll return the results. So the call draw.io API is a different function. It could be a small piece of code. It could be anything. But at the end of the day, the function that I'm creating here is what we call as a tool. And the parameters that I'm going to need to call the draw.io is the parameters that I'll be passing to my function. Let's try to create a very simple basic function, and let's try to see how can we enhance it furthermore. This is a function that I've created. Get weather. It will take city name, and this is the weather data dictionary that I've created, where for London this is the dictionary, for New York this is dictionary, this is the weather info, for Tokyo this is the weather info, and each one of them have city, temperature, description, humidity, and wind speed. Whatever city name I'm passing here, from the weather data, I'll take the city data and then I'll pass it. For example, if I'm calling New York, if I'm calling get weather with New York, it will return me only this dictionary. Or if I'm calling it with London, it will return only this. If I'm calling it with Tokyo, it will return only this part. It's pretty simple, right? So let's go ahead and call it with Tokyo weather info, and I'm printing it here neatly. So I need to call this first. Let's create a function, call it here. And you can see weather in Tokyo is temperature 25, description light rain, humidity, wind speed. It's very straightforward, to be honest. It's basic function. See, I'm taking that dictionary, I'm putting it in a nice format. That's it. Now, if I want to convert this into a tool that I have to use with my agents, how do I do that? It's very simple. It's just this much. From agents, import function tool, then I'll add a decorator above my actual function. And this will become into a tool. It's very as simple as that. Okay. Now get weather is the name of the tool. City name is the parameter that this tool needs. City name is also, it is supposed to be a string value, and the output will always be a dictionary. That's all. This is how we can create a very simple basic function. What I am going to do is, let's try to complicate this slightly, and let's remove some unnecessary things. I'm taking city and I'm returning the respective dictionary, but anyway, this is dummy data. So let's try to remove unnecessary things. And I'm going to add one more thing called as API key, which is going to help us understand the next concepts. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.